Hello, everyone. Next, we will study fluvial geological processes. What forms the meandering rivers in the Rocky Mountains? What makes the rivers in the Kuka Grand Canyon look like spider webs? That's the geological effects of rivers. Main geological effects of rivers include transportation, erosion, and sedimentation. Main characteristics are mechanical action mainly, and weak chemical action. We will now explore them one by one. First, the erosion of rivers is divided into downward erosion and lateral erosion. Downward erosion refers to that the flowing water erodes riverbed rocks and downcuts the riverbed. Lateral erosion increases the curvature of river channel, makes the riverbed move laterally, meander, and widens the river valley into a dish shape. Downward erosion and lateral erosion occur simultaneously during river movement. Their performance is different only in different river reaches. On a reach of the free meander, two pairs of bends are connected, and some abandoned river channels form the cutoff lake. Second, the transportation of rivers has mechanical and chemical effects. Mechanical transportation can mainly be classified into suspended transportation, sortation transportation, and bedload transportation, based on the size of particles being transported. Suspended load mainly refers to the particles less than 0.1 mm in the upper part of the river. Sorting load mainly refers to 0.1–0.25 mm particles in the middle of the river. Bed load refers to relatively coarse particles on the river bottom. At the same time, chemical transportation has the forms of solutions and colloids such as calcium, magnesium, carbonates, silicon dioxide, and aluminum trioxide colloids. Finally, let's learn about the sedimentation of rivers. Sedimentation of rivers mainly refers to the process of developmental deposition when river transportation is weakened, mainly including mechanical, chemical, biological, and biochemical actions. Sedimentation occurs mainly due to kinetic energy reduction of the river and changes in chemical conditions. Mechanical sedimentation is mainly caused by flow rate reduction, mechanical moving, and sedimentation on the convex banks of rivers and the estuaries where rivers flow into lakes or seas. For fluvial sediments, from upstream to downstream, particles change from coarse to fine, and there are no edges and corners, with the characteristic of excellent sorting, excellent rounding, fine particles, and many quartz. The spatial distribution pattern of fluvial sediments is riverbed deposition and estuarine deposition. The riverbed deposition is mainly characterized by unidirectional and bidirectional circulation. At the bend of a river, the flow rate on the concave bank is fast with prone erosion, while the flow rate is slow with prone accumulation on the convex bank. This is known as unidirectional circulation. Bidirectional circulation is the main reason for river island formation. The river island is formed by tributary backwater or external obstacles, and the central bar can be developed. Estuarine deposition mainly occurs in the estuaries where rivers flow into lakes or seas. The formed deposits are also called delta deposits. The tip of the delta points towards the river direction. The surface is flat and inclined towards the lake and sea. There are often swamps on it. Organic matters are abundant in sediments at the estuary. Organic minerals like oil and natural gas are often formed. Through the learning in this lesson, we have learned about the fluvial geological processes. Please complete the exercises carefully. Next lesson, we will study groundwater together.